Hello everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to find blocked contacts on iPhone. Here's how to find them. Click on the phone app. Click on the three lines at the top right corner. Now click on manage filtering. It will take you here. At the bottom you're going to see where it says blocked contacts. Click on it. Here you will see all the contacts you have blocked and all the unknown contacts you have blocked. If you want to unblock them, simply swipe left and it will unblock them. So that's how you find blocked contact on iPhone. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.